Hello, and welcome to my tiny, mighty kitchen. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. So what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be cleaning my kitchen cupboard. My spices are not in order, and so I'm going to start with organizing every spice and maybe show you 10 Jamaican must spice, 10 Jamaican kitchen spice, and we should have about 20 Jamexican spice that I have in my kitchen. I'm not gonna make any promises, but let's see what happens. So now I'm gonna take you through the cleaning of my kitchen, shall we? So this is what my kitchen cabinet currently looks like, and I'm gonna organize them. Here are all the spices from my cupboard. Now there's a story behind this curry. These are the rest of the spices from my cupboard. Now the story behind this curry is that a Jamaican guy who lives in the US for some time, Teresa, do you want me to bring back anything for you? I was like, yeah, bring back some curry. And this was the curry he brought back. When he brought it, it wasn't in a package. The color didn't look right to me. The smell didn't look right to me. So I put it in this container, and I think I've had it in the cupboard for more than 4 years. So it's time to throw. This is curry that was brought back from friends whenever they go to the US or wherever they would like. Teresa, what you want? I always ask them for curry. things, you know, I know I can't get here, I always ask. And this was the curry I got, the Jamaican curry. I was like, not even curry from the Caribbean look like this, but, and I followed my instinct. I never use it. I just didn't like the smell, I didn't like the color, and I never use it. And I guess now is the time to clean house, and I'm gonna clean house. Oh, I am finished reorganizing the kitchen spice cupboard. So the top shelf here has pasta, grain, rice, some Asian products like seaweed. This shelf has most of the stuff I use for baking, like baking soda, rose wine, vanilla, salad, chocolate, nuts and milk. Here I have different type of salt: chipotle salt, sea salt, okra salt, wine salt, and smoked salt, different type of honey, different type of oil, stabilizing agent, which is argara, food coloring. This is kind of like smash. Here has spices using Mexican cuisine plus spices using Jamaican cuisine, so it's a mix of everything here. These are spices as well, Asian things. My husband likes Asian flavor, more Asian stuff there, and spice here. So I rearranged the shelf to suit my need and my accessibility. Everything else at the top, most of the stuff at the top is his. Don't tell him I did that though. So this is the complete order of my Jamexican kitchen. I hope you enjoy this video. Tell me, what are your favorite spices in your kitchen? I hope you enjoy this sneak peek into my now organized Jamexican kitchen. See you in the next video, and as always, stay positive, think on possibilities,